Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very creamy and delicious agua fresca de melon that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Here I want to start by showing you the ingredients. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 package of cantaloupe flavor and color of suco, water, and of course the cantaloupe. I want to start by first making my simple syrup. When you make your simple syrup, you use less sugar than if you just use regular granulated sugar in your aguas frescas. Put it a boiled. When it's nice and clear and the sugar has dissolved, take it off the stove and just let it rest until it comes to room temperature before you use it for your aguas frescas. It doesn't take too long to make it. And here I am ready. I am ready to start slicing my cantaloupe, my melon. Look at this. Of course, the seeds, I'm not going to throw away the seeds or the skin. I am going to put it back into my garden soil. Let me tell you, once you make this amazing and creamy agua fresca de melon, you are really going to love it. Very few ingredients that you could find in any supermarket. Well, here I am going to go ahead and start carefully getting all the seeds out without removing the pulp of the cantaloupe. Look at this. Let me tell you, with this hot weather, you really want to refresh yourself with something healthy, something delicious, something that is made at home instead of going out and buying those soft drinks or buying the aguas frescas. Make them at home with ingredients that are in season. When the ingredients are in season, well, of course, you're going to spend less money. Because if the fruit is not in season, the prices are very high. And first of all, I want to show you that with this slice of the cantaloupe, I am going to use for the decoration of the pitcher and my glass. I'm going to chop and then really dice small little pieces of the cantaloupe. This is going to be the decoration for my glass and my pitcher. I am going to cut it, slice it, and then cube it in small little pieces, just like that. Once you have it like this, just transfer it to a plate and put it aside. Look at this. Once you put it aside, just leave it there and continue by cubing all the cantaloupe. Of course, cut it like this so that you do not throw away any of the pulp. Look at this. Being very careful because this knife is nice and sharp. Just be careful that you don't cut yourself and you do it slowly so that you only remove the skin of the cantaloupe. Look at this. That's exactly what you want. Well, I'm going to continue by slicing and taking all the skin off the cantaloupe, and then I'll see you when I'm ready to start adding the rest of the ingredients. And of course, if you have a garden, just add it to your soil. Don't throw it away. And here in my cup, NutriBullet cup, I'm going to add my melon, my cantaloupe. I'm going to add some water. Of course, I'm going to add the package of suco. It's cantaloupe, color and flavor, nice and intense. I am going to add it in here, and I'm going to add half a cup of the simple syrup. You don't need a whole cup, only half a cup. That's everything I'm using. Of course, after I add all these ingredients, I'm ready to blend. Look at this. I'm going to do a little bit at a time. And of course, here I was trying to turn on my NutriBullet, was not working. I had to use my regular large blender. So here I'm just blending away. I'm going to blend for a couple minutes because I'm not going to put it through a sifter. I want really to absorb all those amazing flavors of the cantaloupe. So if you have a good blender, do not put it through a sifter. Just add it simply like that. Look at this. Blend it for a couple minutes, and when it's nice and blended, then you're ready to pour into a bigger container. I am going to pour it here. Don't worry about all that little white stuff on the top because it's going to disappear in 3 to 5 minutes. After that's done, let me show you how this looks. It looks amazing. And of course, we still need to add the condensed milk, but I wanted to show you the color of this amazing agua fresca. Well, once I show you the color, now I'm ready to add the condensed milk. 1 can of condensed milk. Of course, I use 1.5 liters of water and 1 whole cantaloupe. And here, once you add it, I am ready to mix and incorporate the condensed milk really good into the ingredients of the cantaloupe, the water, simple syrup, and of course, once this is done, look at this. Look how creamy this looks. The color just looks amazing. It's so hot that I'm really going to enjoy a glass full of ice, of course, with my cantaloupe agua fresca. Creamy, delicious, and made at home with lots of love. Well, once this is done, I am ready to add some ice to my pitcher and of course add some ice on my glass. Look at this. You really want to enjoy this agua fresca really cold because it is so hot that you're really going to enjoy it and you're really going to refresh yourself. Don't forget to add the little pieces of the cantaloupe. That's going to give it such an amazing flavor. And here I am ready to pour. Look at this, lots of ice and of course ready to pour. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continue growing. I am sure you're going to really love this amazing agua fresca de melon. Once this is done, I am ready to prepare my glass and I'm ready for the presentation. But look at this, look how beautiful this looks. And my glass, of course, full of ice. I am ready to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. With this creamy and delicious cantaloupe agua fresca. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. With this hot weather, let's refresh ourselves with Cooking with Gloria. Excuse me. So creamy. The combination of the cantaloupe and the creaminess of the condensed milk, just perfection. Let me tell you, you have control of how much sugar you add to your aguas frescas when they're made at home. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing and creamy cantaloupe agua fresca. See you soon. Bye-bye.